Hello guys. Now, day 3 of voter registration. Lakini Gen Z, mnatuangusha mbaya. How come nasikia a certain an IBC official anasema ati yeye amekaa from asubuhi mpaka jioni ameregister 0 voters. Wengine 2 voters, wengine 3. Surely. Gen Z, let me tell you, if you are saying Kasongo must go, you must come out and register as voters. That is the only solution. Remember, IBC is targeting 6 million new voters. So when they are targeting 6 million voters, they know and they have the record that there are more than 6 million Kenyans who have gotten new IDs. Those are those ones who are in the age of 18 and above. And you are the people who are required to come out and register as new voters. If you want change in your place, in your constituency, in your county, in your ward, and in the country, you have to register as a voter in this country so that you can be that change that you guys want. Iwezekani, during maandamano, you are coming out in millions. Now, in the most important thing where you are required to come and register as a voter, hamtokelezei. Siwaelewi which one, where are you guys? If you want change, if you want Kasongo to go, you are saying Kasongo must go, lazima kuwe na kura mazi. Kura ndio inasema. With that vote in your hand, that is the only time you can make a change. Remember guys, we must talk about Kenya because Kenya is our business. Thank you.